My computer science topic was human capabilities by Robert Lanier. Some context. The first slide will be about background. The second will be about smartphones. The third will be about GPSs. The fourth will be about smart grids. And the fifth will be about smart buildings. A little bit of background. We are in the dawn of a new age. Computers, smartphones, GPS, smart buildings, and smart transportation are all part of growing technologies that help to enhance human capabilities. Whether we need turn-by-turn directions, help with a recipe for cooking, or just simply getting in touch with people around the globe, all of this can be achieved with the click of a button because of the advancements in modern science and technology. We as humans now have the capability to go far beyond what we once thought was possible, and with new assistive technologies, this capability is available to people almost everywhere at any age. All right, the first topic was smartphones. With the rapid growth and development of smartphone technologies, the sky's the limit for mankind. Ever since Apple came out with the now extremely popular iPhone, the cell phone business has changed forever. The creation of the iPhone has a huge advancement for human capabilities. We no longer had a limited amount of characters per text. We became able to post every moment of our lives and share it with millions all around the world, all with the click of a button. And with the iPhone came the App Store, which allowed codists and programmers alike to earn millions for themselves and open up a whole new market the world had never seen before. With the invention of the smartphone, humans have access to information at the tap of a finger, which previously we may have had to go to the local library and open up a book. Now Google is the one who settles all the bets. The next slide is about GPS systems. Another invention that is pushing the limits of human capabilities is GPS, Global Positioning System. The invention of the GPS has changed the automotive industry forever. With more and more companies investing in technologies to enhance GPS systems, it's no wonder why we are able to get turn-by-turn directions updated every second. The advancements in GPS systems have led to greater fuel efficiency and lower car insurance. GPS allow people to navigate like never before. The next topic in my slideshow is smart grid technology. Smart grid refers to the type of technology we are using to try and create a computerized utility electrical system. For example, for many years, electricity companies have been sending out an electrician to go to someone's home or business and collect much of the data that is needed to provide electricity to the household. Now, technologies are trying to create a two-way communication system so that everything needed to provide electricity to a house can be done from a computer. It's computerizing the electric utility grid. One important feature of this new technology is the automation technology that allows the utility to adjust and control one device or millions at once from one central location. Some benefits of this technology include better cybersecurity, handling sources of electricity like wind or solar, and it could even integrate electric cars onto the grid. The next slide is about smart buildings and smart building technology. When we think about smart buildings, we can't help but remember what the first buildings looked like and what they were made out of. Imagine the only source for construction you had was mud and sticks. It was all so primitive, but over thousands of years the purpose of buildings remained the same, to provide a comfortable space for people inside. With new advancements in smart buildings, homes, apartment buildings, and skyscrapers will never be the same again. Like all smart technology, the purpose of it all is to enhance our human capabilities and connect people to technology and technology to people. Because what would the point of technology and all these wires and components that make up modern technology be without humans to interact and control them? Smart buildings will deliver building services that make occupants productive, like illumination, air quality, security, sanitation, and much, much more. This smart technology will be able to connect buildings to other buildings, people to the technology, connect the technology to the outside environment, and connect to the smart grid. Moving on to my slideshow presentation, the next page is my works cited page where I gather much of my information for this assignment. The first link brings us to a page about smartphone technology, the advancements of smartphone technology, different things that are being used to enhance what smartphones are capable of. The next link is about advances in GPS technology that boost benefits of fleet tracking. And it just goes on to talk about how GPSs are evolving more and more and being capable of giving us sharper and more accurate directions. Finally, we move on to the last part, which is my webpage that I made for human capabilities. This is my final project webpage for on human capabilities. The first line in it is human capabilities are rapidly advancing. Today we can do almost anything with the click of a button. My topic focuses on advances in technology such as messaging, the internet, and GPS. Scrolling down, I added some the links that you saw previously in my PowerPoint are right here. This one, human capabilities, information and communication technology. And it just goes on to talk about the different capabilities with different technologies that we have access to. This picture brings me to my contact page for my website, which also has my interview and video project for the course. And we'll just watch this really quick. It's only a minute.
What are you using that laptop for?
I'm looking up directions to go to dinner tonight.
How are you able to do that?
You know, Google Maps.
Thanks. No problem. Oh, it's my other friend, Justin. What are you using your mobile device for?
Let's find out where the grocery store is.
How are you doing that?
Google Maps.
Google Maps. When you are walking around a city and you need to find a subway, do you look for a map or do you grab your phone?
My phone.
Why do you grab your phone?
Because I have access to Google Maps.
Okay. If you are lost in your car, what do you rely on to get you out of the situation?
My GPS.
Say you're stranded somewhere, you're not really sure where you are at all, but you have your cell phone. How would you use that to get out of the situation?
Use Google Maps.
How does smart transportation affect your life?
It's a wonderful thing. It's easier.
Okay, thanks for the interview.
And that was my final topic video. Going on back to the home screen. This is just all repetitive stuff from the PowerPoint. This link takes me to the GPS. GPS is another invention that is pushing the limits of human capabilities. It's the same thing that you heard in the previous PowerPoint. I'm just showing you around the website. This link with my smart building sends me over back to the human capability smart buildings link, which go back to the home button, takes you back home. And here's my animation, my final project animation that I did using Khan Academy. You can see when I drag my mouse over to the left, my character follows the mouse. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my final project. Done.